Join us going to B&M. So we were kindly gifted a voucher from B&M just to do some DIY projects and little home improvements around the house, and we decided that we just wanted to fill this nook in and make it a little bit less bare and empty, more homely and more aesthetically pleasing. So we went to B&M and found these floating shelves which are just going to look perfect in that space, and thought we could decorate as well using the home stuff from B&M because it is just gorgeous. As you can see, there's like loads of neutrals, monos, which are just everywhere at the moment. We decided to go with this little beige candle holder and these black ribbed candles, which I just love. And we also picked up some black photo frames as well, just to go onto the shelves. So that was all today, and come back to watch us put these up and see how we decorated our home using B&M. Bye!